So the next exercise is Répétez les instructions. So we are going to repeat these instructions, but we are going to do it in the imperative form. So you already know how to write the imperative. So the first sentence, tu dois te réveiller tôt. You must get up early. So now the verb here is reflexive. So when it is reflexive, you know how to write the imperative. So réveiller, and te becomes toi, to. Réveiller, toi, to. So that is how you write for a reflexive noun, verb. The next sentence, tu dois te coucher tôt. Tu dois te coucher tôt. So here again it is reflexive. So coucher-toi tôt. Coucher-toi tôt. The next sentence, tu ne dois pas te coucher tard. Tu ne dois pas te coucher tard. So now this is also reflexive. So, but the sentence is negative. So, and now the verb, the subject here is tu. So coucher becomes coucher pas tard. Na coucher pas tard. Moving on to the next sentence. Vous ne devez pas manger beaucoup. Now here the verb is manger. It is not in the reflexive form. So the sentence is negative again. So ne. Manger is the verb. The subject is vous. So manger becomes manger. Ne mangez pas beaucoup. Ne mangez pas beaucoup. The next sentence, vous devez vous reposer. Vous devez vous reposer. Now, this is in the reflexive form. So, reposez-vous. Reposez-vous. So, because the subject is vous, reposez-vous. And finally, the last sentence, nous devons nous promener tous les jours. Now the subject is promener. So, the verb is promener and the subject is nous. So, promener becomes promenons, promenons and nous. Promenons-nous tous les jours.